This is going to be a video product review. All right, what the heck do I have here? I bought this. The box is PowerExtra. I am going to put a link in my video description of what I bought here on Amazon. So if you want to buy it, you can click on the affiliate link. I'll get a little bit of credit, and you'll be able to buy this thing. So honestly, I bought this thing a year and a half ago. I bought it right before I got my rescue dog, and then I just never used it. So I unboxed it today, and I just used it tonight. So let me tell you a little bit about this thing. I'm recording on a Panasonic camcorder, and this is my second Panasonic camcorder. This is the battery that comes with it. This is not the extra large battery that I believe sells for like $87 or some $80. It's really expensive unless it's gone down. This is the original battery that comes with it. That when you power it on, I don't even know if it's going to show it on the screen right now. Let's see, is it going to show it on the screen? What does it say? It's like an hour. I think it said an hour or something. When I charged it up earlier, it was like an hour and 56 minutes, or it's a couple hours. You get maybe 2 hours of time on the original battery. So, and I was doing, before I got the rescue dog, I was doing lots of video, and I was switching back and forth. I'm filming on a Panasonic right now. This is another Panasonic. So I was taking the extra battery in my pocket with me and swapping it out when I needed it. Because my 64 gigabyte card, I've got 17 hours of video at $720. So I bought this package. It was a really good price when I bought it. I'm sure it still is. Comes with two batteries, and then it also comes with a charger, which has a AC thing. You can plug it into the wall, and you pop your battery in there, and it comes with a charger or a power thing for the auto, for the cigarette lighter, and it's got a power plug on there. And let's look on the charger and see where that plugs in after I waste 20 seconds putting this back in the bag. So where does that plug in? Plugs in on the bottom. Okay, so I was going to go film something tonight for a few hours, and I thought, let me test this thing out. I'll do a video review, and I'll see how it goes. Plug the battery into the power thing over here, and I'm sure I could plug it into the camera and charge it up that way, but I wanted to test this out. And I did, and I kept it in for, I don't even know, maybe an hour and a half. The red light on it for charging never went off. The thing that's surprising, I said I bought this, I talk a lot in my videos. I bought this thing a year and a half ago. I was going to say an hour and a half. I bought it a year and a half ago. I put it in the camera, and it was only 1 bar down on the charge thing, which is just incredible that for a year and a half it was able to hold that charge. But when I put it on the charger, when I put it on this charger here, after a couple hours, an hour and a half or something, the red light was still on, so I don't know if it's fully charged, but when I connected it to the camera, it said 5 hours of time, which means that with these two batteries, even if they were maybe 10 hours, maybe 12 hours of time to record, that's just insane. But that's why you buy a camcorder instead of a DSLR, because you can get good zoom quality, you can get good autofocus, and you can just set it and forget it and record for hours and hours. So let's, one thing that, let me take off the old battery and put on the new big battery. This battery is humongous, and the one thing that I noticed while I was recording tonight is this battery is so big. And this is the same even if you used a regular Panasonic extra capacity battery. I'm so used to pressing like this, so that's an easy thing. But sometimes I want to go in and hold the camera this way and press, and this battery was just confusing me. I'm not used to the large size battery. But let me pop it open now. Let's see, can I see what it says on here? Besides all the lights reflecting? I can't see what it says. I don't see what it says. But I just shot about half an hour worth of video, and I wanted to come back home and do the review, finish off the review. I've got so many reviews I need to finish. So, first off, as I say in all my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like, share this video. It helps me out a lot. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I'll do the review. And if you want to keep my channel going, ask for my PayPal info. You can donate and make me rich and keep me happy. So, what's my opinion of the purchase? I really wish I knew what I spent on it now. I will look obviously after I finish the video. But I'm really happy. Yeah, I can get by with taking off this extra battery. Now that I've got the rescue dog, I'm definitely not going to be doing as many long video shoots as I used to because the dog gets most of my time. But this digital... Oh, one other thing. I plugged in the battery and it worked. Everything was fine. And it showed the 5 hours. And then I disconnected the battery and I plugged it back in. I don't know if I had full contact. Well, I had full contact because I had the display screen. I had the screen on the Panasonic, and it said something like unable to use battery or cannot use this battery. And I thought, whoa, because I know that I was told, I'm not sure, but I was told that Panasonic was putting chips inside their batteries that if you weren't using a real Panasonic battery, you couldn't use it in their cameras, which I think is just, somebody should sue them for that. That's totally wrong. I think the printer industry got sued for that because they were stopping people from, they were buying something and they were not able to purchase a third-party ink cartridge, and I believe they were sued. I don't know if Panasonic's been sued for that, but I saw that message, unable to use or cannot use this battery, and I thought, wow, something's not right here, and I unplugged it and I plugged it back in and everything turned on fine. If that happens to you, unplug it, plug it back in. If that doesn't work, maybe turn off the camera, plug the battery in, then turn on the camera, and that might solve your problem. But as far as this, yeah, this was a really good deal. The thing that surprised me, as I said, a year and a half later, it was only 1 bar down on the battery gauge, and it had hours and hours worth of recording left. So you get your 2 batteries, you get your AC wall charger, you get your 12-volt car charger, and you just have to make sure that it's going to fit your Panasonic camcorder. All of my Panasonics, I just got rid of the V180. I've got the I think 550 or the 7 something. I've got a lot of them. And so this thing worked really well. I've loved my Panasonic camcorders. As I just said in one of my other videos, I was looking to buy the 4K, and I just looked online, and they jumped their what is it, the 981 and the 981. They just took the 981 and put it up $150 in price, and the 991 they did the same thing, $150 in price overnight. Unbelievable. No reason at all, and I was just so upset seeing that. I love the Panasonic. It's been good to me. I like that I've got these extra batteries, but I think when the Canon the G, is it the G? Is it the G50 or the, I think it's the G50. It might be the M50. I think the Canon G50 4K, when it comes out, I'm going to have to do some serious thinking if I want to buy that thing, and then I'll make a ton of review videos for that. So, again, check my description. If they still sell this, which I think they do, I'll put a link in there. And this is a heck of a deal. 2 batteries, AC charger, 12-volt charger, and it's awesome. Again, share the video. Do that thumbs up, the like. And thanks for watching, people. Happy camcording. I know a lot of people like mirrorless cameras. They're into DSLRs. They... camcording. Once I bought this camcorder, I haven't gone back. I haven't shot with my digital camera since I bought the camcorder. It's a whole new way of life for taking video, and as far as I'm concerned, it's the best way. Leave your comments now. Only happy ones.